So I'm gonna try and take these out. Is there a way to get these out? Do you just pop them into the wall even further? I just don't know how. Maybe a hammer. Oh, no. Maybe, oh, better. Maybe. Ha-ha! Ah, never mind. That was so huge. Look at this hole. Look how big that is. I have to fill that. My finger could fit in there. Am I supposed to take drywall screws out? I don't think you're supposed to get drywall screws out. I think you're just supposed to like put them in further. This one's so much harder than the other one. Just making a bigger hole. Fuck it. I'm gonna land. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Who uses these fucking anchors like this? God, ruining my fucking wall. These goddamn fucking idiots put the worst goddamn anchors. Fuck you. Okay, calm down. The putty's not gonna be enough. Something about this is like a mesh that helps hold the putty. I'm way too close. And I'm not wearing makeup, so this is like not a good look. And makes it to where it doesn't crack or something. So now this side's smooth and this side's rough. Do I put the smooth or rough side? Does it matter? A lot of pink stuff in there. Yeah. I think I need to have that flat. Fuck. I don't think that's right. It's never gonna be flush with the wall when I paint it. But the one that I put in, it just sunk in further. So I don't know. I think I'm just gonna keep filling the hole. More stuff in the hole. More stuff in the hole. Like this isn't, I think something about joint compound maybe might be better than spackling because it's supposed to be for small holes. I'm gonna have to do this a couple times because it just keeps sinking in deeper and deeper. This is probably better than wiping it on my shirt. That's better. That's better. That's better. Into this. Let me just bring all that up. Alright. Whoops. It's not even in there anymore. Fuck. I keep slipping. I don't like it. I don't like this. I don't think this is right. I'm done.